There are a million masks out there for every little thing. But sometimes it's confusing to understand exactly which ingredients to combine for what purpose. So here is a list of masks to properly target each of your skincare concerns and solve each one for you perfectly. Mix together 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, 2 vitamin E capsules, and a bit of aloe vera gel. The glycerin works as a moisture magnet to keep your face hydrated. Vitamin E oil helps slow down aging and fine lines. And the aloe vera gel acts as an anti-inflammatory ingredient as well. This mask is so gentle on your skin that it can be applied overnight as often as you want. Start by taking half a tablespoon of coconut oil and half a tablespoon of aloe vera gel for their antifungal properties. Mix in bentonite clay. Clay is one of the key ingredients of this mask as it helps dry out excess oil in your skin and cleans your pores. Now add a spoonful of charcoal powder, the other star ingredient. Now pour in just enough green tea to create your desired consistency of the paste, as it will soothe and calm your skin while the mask works. Apply this once a week. Let it sit until it dries and clean off with a wet washcloth for acne-free skin. Mix together half a cup of mashed papaya with 1 teaspoon of honey. Papayas contain alpha-hydroxy acids that help dissolve dead skin cells for glowing skin, and the honey's antibacterial properties protect it. Brush the mask onto your face once or twice a week for 20 minutes and wash off for brighter skin. Dry out a few orange peels in the microwave for 2 minutes until they're crisp. Now, crush them into a powder and mix a tablespoon of this powder with 1 tablespoon of yogurt. The vitamin C in oranges is an amazing depigmentation ingredient, while the lactic acid in the yogurt helps fade dark spots and boosts collagen production. Apply it over your face once a week for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash off. Remember that vitamin C can make your skin sensitive to the sun, so it's best to use this before bed. Mix half of a mashed banana with 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. The vitamins in the banana will nourish and hydrate your skin, combined with honey for an extra shot of moisture. These mixed with the baking soda as a natural exfoliant works its magic in every way that you need it to. Apply this once a week for 10 minutes and gently rub it in as you wash off for extra exfoliation and happy, healthy skin. Now you know exactly what kind of mask to apply for every concern and how it's working its miracles on your skin. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.